Next watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to be talking about another one of your favorite artists then. You today called Jahshi. Now, this one is interesting. What I'm going to do, a couple things more I point out. Right. When you realize that the Tesha, right, and Termite War, we did already start, right, in a Spanish town. Right. When you realize that, right, as soon as the recordings them drop, right, things get quiet. When you realize that, that's interesting. A resident, right, from Spanish town, from a particular community, right, point it out. Right. Come at the world, the man them sit down and wait for you to go on. That's interesting. Anyway, next thing we want to do, we have a special, very special Patreon birthday shout out to none other than Opal. Yes, Opal Peters. She make me know say, our birthday finally drop off our calendar. Opal, nowadays, that is something to celebrate. We know the birthday was yesterday, we don't know. Couldn't drop a video yesterday. Man, did I forget some rest? But Opal, big up yourself. Hope you had a great day. About 2 years now, you with the Patreon squad. And with the movement even before that. So Opal, big up yourself. Big up the whole Patreon squad. Make we move into the video. Let me say, it's another one of your favorite artists. But you know what? One more thing. We can't make this pass. I have to ask the people to answer this one for me. You know when time people say who wear it better? I'm going to show them two pictures and tell me who wear it better. I want to look on your screen right now. Who wear it better? The clown on the left or the clown on the right? Personally, I give to the clown on the left because at least him have the decency and the dignity to cover film face, right, and actually look like a clown. Right, the one on the right actually thinks him look cool. Right, yes, that's your favorite artist, Puss in Boots. Right. You know when find that piece of red boot, like him thinks him like go start, right, the next wave, no youth. You look stupid then, and you're going to look even stupider in 2 years time when time we look back on this. Make it talk about Jahshi. Jahshi, man, and his entourage. I left party, right? I left a little spot, you know, and the vibes. You know, you got already. One artist, 500,000 man back at him. 87 shot on him, fire be a shot. Right, means about 6 people in Jan. At one point, me even see come out say, right, 7 man in one vehicle. And me said kinda weird. Right, but me and 6 man not traveling in no vehicle. 4 summer walk. I don't want to do it, you know. I cut from a different cloth. But anyway, what caused that? What could cause that? Well, by now you'd have probably heard the backstory and all over the place, but I give you a little brief rundown in case some of my audience are not familiar with what I want. So, there's a youth named Romy. Him and Jahshi mother get in an argument. Like already, everybody bad, nobody now back down. Whereas sometimes people have them bad man links. Right? So the youth named Romy, feel bigger brother by name Pokey, long time on there. You go all the way back to Anthropang them days. So that's a theme strength. And of course Jahshi mother, right, fear strength of Jahshi and the whole heap of youth them are running. So nobody now back down. Because that's how it go. Especially in the bad man place. When people know them link with certain people, right? Nobody, you have something have to go on because at the back of their mind, they must say, if push come to shove, right? If the rubber meets the road, me can call my bad man brother, call my bad man father, call my bad man friend. At this point, it's trivial, but just know say the altercation start between the two of them, right? And right, man go page about the youth, who make him know say yo, you know, a bad man talk and Romy, again, make man know say him not take no chat. Right, you know, but they say, okay, and family and him have big links. Cut a long story short, them go kill Romy. Right. Once people in the community see that, them know say, this is how it get ugly. Right. Jahshi, Right? Remember now, Jahshi are artists now, so they have money and hype now. And what happens is that for them youth, when them get money and hype, they start to get out the streets with the work. And then go and go party up and down on the road. That's sure you say, right? Him get caught up in the hype. Him actually start believe say him as some kind of untouchable superstar. As expected, the man in rally back. Let me say catch them right, after party, after club, a roll out, be a shot start fire. Right now, nobody lost their life, but as me say, a bag of man get injured. And now the people in the community are afraid. People in the community are afraid because Grandspin right, has been seen, right, let's just say it's been more quiet right, than back in the day. Right. Grandspin is actually, by feed standards, reasonably quiet. Right. It's not perfectly quiet, but by Grandspin all-time day standard, Grandspin quiet now. And the people have been worried that Jahshi and Fiend Boys with them iconists right, was going to destabilize the community because of some youth way. Certain hours at night, them start fire, be a shit and them thing. Right? People are hearing now. Right? That's the thing, you might not see people in the media because nobody residents who fed up and don't want to deal with it. Right? Them are really young people, so them really that good on the social media. The young people, them know them are the fans now, so them are come out, come say, well, let them alone, you're bad man him. But the actual residents, them know, especially the big people in the area, right? Them fed up with Jahshi a long time. Long time, and then this gonna happen. Everybody tense because me say from Rome go dead, people know say something that go happen. And the fact say them go shoot off a Jahshi on there right now, them a go look for the back something, and when I go look for the back something, and next thing you know, Grandspin, the whole of that general vicinity right, is now right, on the edge of going back to the ugly days. Very interesting. Remember Jahshi did the interview, you know? Oh, by the way, I need to add this disclaimer. Right? Yes, I bad man Jahshi. I know. I always add the disclaimer. Yes, I just like all your other favorite artists, bad man Jahshi. Right? Of all the people in the world I could envy, he's top of the list. Right? So let me just put that one side. So no one know that. Right? That me saying, they do one interview. Right? Go up on TV, go play the victim card. You know, the whole world is against me. I don't do nothing, no trouble nobody, I'm involved in nothing, nobody just fight against me because I'm bad man. And tell him talk some things. And of course it work with the sympathy under them. Right? You see them love one like say, right? There's all these different artists, right? But only some of them, the chaos, death and destruction surround them. And them go ahead and know why. Right? I mean, it's not because I'm actively involved in badness, it's because everybody bad mind me. It's all bad mind. You see, privately, right, they're neuter, deep in their acidity, but publicly, I'd say them a big time victim. Boy, I don't know, I'm not trouble nobody, I don't know. And when it comes down to privately being into something and publicly being against it, Jahshi is a perfect example because, remember, Noel Maitland, privately, him support Maitland, right, let me say. Him know Maitland they get into long before the influencer even lost their life. But then, when him see the public uproar, publicly, you know, him against and him burn out this, you can't need. When them see artists go publicly and talk about this, man say, me just want to look at you and me I try them and fight against me. People in the community, them a shake them head. People in the community know say, right, them involved in the badness, them know say them a buy gun give you, them know all that things them. And if make things worse, they know say nobody finds them. Straight up slow. Right, let's just be honest. Right, at some point, we've got to start calling a spade because, like I say, if it was like something where really complex and you know, but you like Jahshi, it's pretty obvious to me. Like you have some YouTube and tell me you say them get catching certain things, you like, really them you eh? But Jahshi, it was pretty obvious. What I say, right? Not for the fans them, right? That was straight up slow. You see, I'm gonna start look on it like a disability. I used to get annoyed and you know, all people don't see this and why the people them know. But now I start look on it like a disability. Right? Can you get upset with a blind man for walking too slow? Think about it. A man is blind and you accuse him saying to walk up fast and go him go. Man have a disability. You have to understand. So some look on it now. For the fans him, you would have talked about you, bad man, the man want shade. So now I look on it like, you know what? I'm not even annoyed anymore. Right? It's a disability. I understand. So, Jahshi, just after I do the video about your favorite artist, I'm telling our clans right? Make weapon money from artists. Right? That goes back to destroying. You see, it's not like saying I make weapon money and then, Spanish Town was booming with peace and everything, No. Right? More for a gang, more money equal more war, more death and more destruction. Let me say Grand Spin was quiet by feet standards. Now, the whole place tense. Toward the thing gets spooky. Right? As usual, people start looking for Kwako and he's shot. In case you don't know, Jahshi brother is a very popular selector called Harry Hype. Right? Him dep on what they call it, the ones and the twos. Right? The man boom boom them. Right now, that youth need to be careful. Right? Because you don't know ways in the streets and people. Right? They can't get to Jahshi. Let them size up that youth. Right? Well, I mean, the youth are a big man. Right? But Harry Hype, right? Be careful in the streets, brother. Because it already. They can kiss their teeth and say, not to look on a bad man on YouTube, but I tell you what the streets I say. Right? Things that look spooky for even the people that are related. Badness in the business. Man can't get there because them know so what got me. No. Jahshi go surround himself with 500,000 more man. Right? Plus police. Right? So now them know it go harder to get to him. But they know say the other targets are much easier. Very unfortunate. You see, now for them artists, right? Them sponsor the badness, buy gun give youth, and then one time, the 87s them used to hesitate to go after the artist because the name big, and they say if they kill somebody that big name but too high profile, it's more pressure. But them 87 nowadays doing business. They see the man and go for the entourage with Jahshi, 87 the big. Back in the day, artists could have all the time they sponsor the most war, them could have still just walk around normal and no, the man might come for the artist too. I'm telling you, the whole of Iron Man go soon start feel the pain. It's an artist and things so we can just sponsor, boost up, get a youth kill themselves and then sit down good in the AC house, the man might come phone too. And that's how I can't say talk to your artist until you left the negativity alone. Anyway, Agent Squad, big up himself. Yeah, you don't know, more life, Vulture Squad, stay circling, blessed.